𝗖𝗖𝗧𝗏, anything. But you need to know what is the motherboard model. What is this motherboard?
Hello everyone, good morning. So welcome dito sa ating free startup class of PC laptop maintenance and CCTV installation with networking cards. So now let's watch the discussion ng kanilang instructor.
For connecting this computer like RAM slot. So consider you have a 10 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM something. All the RAM will not support in the motherboard. You need to know what is the maximum capacity of this motherboard, how much it can support. And this RAM also has some models. DDR1, DDR2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 models are there. Each motherboard supports each model of RAM. That idea also we need. That will be discussed in our classes. So next thing will be this SMPS. SMPS is nothing but this one. This is the main power supply of the computer. What we are doing, we are putting this 240 to 20 volt inside here. So this SMPS, what it will do, it will convert into 12 volt to 5 volt. According to the devices, it will be converting power, and the power will be given to this components. Inside either motherboard, hard disk, RAM, anything. It will be all connected, all converted through this SMPS. Next thing will be Ethernet port. Ethernet port, you have to consider that there is a network port. Okay, this one. So, in case if this network port got or something, what we will do,